In this video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze multiple surveys at once in Surveymonkey. In order to do that, you first need to head over to surveymonkey.com, and then from in there, make sure to click onto this Get Started Free option in order to sign up for an account. Alternatively, you can also click onto the Sign Up Free option in order to sign up. Or if you already have an account like I do, click onto this Login option right there. Now, from in there, you should be able to see in your SurveyMonkey. Make sure that you're already logged in. From in there, you should be able to see your dashboard, and in here you can see your multi-survey analysis. Click on this right there. From in there, this should be able to open the SurveyMonkey's Data Studio, so just wait for this to successfully load. As you can see right here with their analysis, you can combine, compare, and discover connections with multi-survey analysis. With this, you can analyze one survey or more. You can easily monitor key metrics and responses over time and compare and combine results in an interactive format. However, this particular feature is only available on the upgraded plan, which on some cases in the Enterprise or Pro plan. If you want, you can proceed to click on this Upgrade Now option. And then you should be able to see in here SurveyMonkey's pricing. Here is their team plans. They also have individual plans as well as enterprise plans available for selection. So if you already have the actual multi-survey analysis, you can just go to the Analyze Results section on one of your surveys and then select the multi-survey analysis, which is actually a beta right now. So if you already have a dashboard, it will just show in here a list of existing dashboards that include the current survey. And from the list, you can select the surveys that you want to include in an analysis and then add them to your actual dashboard. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.